Hello. So today I'll share with you that how did I get selected in unacademy as a doubt solving educator. So let's see. So how to become an academy doubt solving educator. First thing, the step one is that on LinkedIn you should go and turn notifications on for all the jobs of unacademy, and from there I actually got a you know notification that their hiring is going on for doubt solving educator. So I applied on LinkedIn when I got a notification. Okay, so this is the first step. Second step, I got a telephonic call from that person who had actually posted the job. Okay, so what actually he asked in that call, in that telephonic conversation, what was that? I will share with you. He asked me first question that do you have a pen tab or not? Second, do you have broadband of Wi-Fi? Third, that do you have a laptop? And friends, you have to have a pen tab, otherwise they will not consider you. Okay. So actually I bought pen tab for this. So okay. And then they sent me an email regarding the procedure. That was step three. Okay. So in step three, they sent me an email. What was there in that email? I will tell you. See, this was the email I received from them, and you can read, pause the video, and you can read. In this, all the procedures were told and what to do and what not to do. And this told me, they sent me two questions. You can see that two questions they sent me, question one and question two, and I had to solve this question and then upload it. Video solution, okay, not written solution, or you cannot do on the paper and pen and then submit it. No, you have to make a video solution of it. You have to appear. So this is all the mail which I got. Okay, and these were the two questions. These were the two questions they have given me. After that, in the step four, what I did, I sent my video solution. Okay, both in one video file. Two questions were there, and I, in one video only, I did both the questions and then I sent them back. Okay, so I bought a pen tab and I used Zoom for making video. Okay, so this is all I did. My video solution got selected. Okay, then step five, I again got a mail. In that mail, you can read this mail. You can pause the video and read this. So actually, I was cleared from the demo solutions, and then they told me that you have to, download a software. The software, which is called as AnyDesk. Okay. In this, you can read the mail. You can pause the mail and you can read. So they told me to download this software AnyDesk. Okay. Actually, AnyDesk software is, that gives access to the another person to access your laptop, and they will check your internet speed through that software AnyDesk. They will access your laptop and then they will go to the website speed.net, and from there they will check your internet and then they will say, okay, your internet is good, then they will consider it. Okay, and at that time only, on that phone call only, actually after the email, one person called me from an academy to download the software and all. Okay, so I got a call again after that mail. So she called me and she told me to download any desk software, and then she checked my internet speed, and then she also asked my t-shirt size on that call only. Okay, and also asked me the address, that at what address you want. So all those things she asked from me. After this, then she sent me an email to create my profile for an academy educator. Again, she sent me an email. So this was the email. You can see, you can pause the video again and read it. So basically she sent me a link. It is a link. When you will click there, a form will open and you'll have to just fill the entries over there. They will ask your name and Aadhaar card, photo they will ask, and PAN card photo they will ask for you from you, and one more thing. Yeah, that's it. So PAN card is needed and Aadhaar card is needed for this. Okay. And last step 6 was unacademy will send you an agreement. Yes. After you have filled the form, then they will send you an agreement that you have to sign that agreement, and then only they can proceed with you. So read the agreement and then sign it. So I had signed the agreement, and this was the email they sent me, that an academy requested you to sign this document. So you will have to click on this link and then you can sign. Now after that, I got a congratulations mail with welcome. Okay. So after when you will sign the agreement, they will send you a congratulations mail, and I will show you with you also. Like, congratulations, you have been selected as a doubts clearing educator, and all these things were written over there. So this is the complete process. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.